frequency is used between subject and main verb in simple present tense and in simple past tense. Okay, for example, he he always he always goes to school. He always goes to school. I always I always speak English. Yes? They often they often play soccer. We use, yes, these are examples. We use adverb of frequency. We use adverb of frequency after after to be after to be what? After to be what? We use adverb of frequency after to be what? For example, she is she is she is always she is always sick. She is always sick. Yes. he is usually he is usually he is usually he is usually bored in the class. Bored in the class. Ask this conversation. Yes. B-O-R have that bored. Huh? What is it? Bored. He is usually bored in the class. He is usually bored in the class. Yeah? No, listen. That was here. Adverb of frequency was here to be one of the words. Bored usually must be there. Adverb of frequency there. Adverb of frequency. So he is usually bored in the class. Aga aksar ko class she be bored. Not a sentence is completely correct. No, sentence correct. So what be wrong? Huh? This way, he is bored usually in the class. No, that's wrong. Huh? Yeah? Listen, I need to we use adverb of frequency after to be one. After to be one. The to be one that is semantic is MR. To be one dekana. The others and usually they are adverb of frequency also. Oh sure sir. Okay, once I explain you the extent of your code. Hello. Done? Good. I need your attention. Look here. Look here. Stop writing. Adverb of frequency. Today we are going to learn the most and significant topic that is adverb of frequency. Adverb of frequency shows how many times an action happens. How many times an action happens. It can happen every day. It can happen every week. It can happen every year. So this is called adverb of frequency. We will use usually, often, yes, sometimes I go to school. So this is also called adverb of frequency. So adverb of frequency shows how many times an action happens. How many times an action happens. For instance, let's come towards the example. He always go to school. So it means that he always go to school. And majority guesses he goes to school. So this action, how many times shows an action, how many times an action happens. So here always shows that this action how many times happens. Here always shows how many times this action happens. Listen. Adverb of frequency doesn't show here. The shows how many times an action happens. Kyokar sozaliki here. Kyokar sozaliki here. Because he always goes to school. The always mother show here. Yes. He always goes to school. Our mission is to see a school here. The always show here. Yes. How many times an action happens? the action susah tiga. Always tiga hanya tiga. Sudah mata cakap pun adverb of frequency. If I say I usually go to school, I usually go to school. No मतलब that usually less stronger देखना. The अक्सर school ले जमा. So always go मतलब 100% कर दी हाँ. And always here for instance he always goes to school. अब अरब school ले दिया. तो मतलब that here that part 100% ही है. Yes. Those, yes. Listen, I always speak English. I always speak English. जैसे कुमार जब always English है वहाँ. मैं हमेशा English बोलता हूँ. Now this is where that how many times an action happens. The action usually kita mana cara kalau a verb of understand. Listen, a verb of frequency से क्या? It shows how many times an action happens. How many times an action. Dakar usually dan this show क्या? It verb. Understand? Next name sir. They often play soccer. They often play soccer. Often चीजें करता हूँ सर 60% की है ना 60%. Okay. They often play soccer. आगे से करिए. आगे अक्सर क्रिकेट करते हैं. They often play soccer. Understand? Okay. Next name sir. We use adverb of frequency after to be verb. Listen sir. To be verb ना बात हम कैसे करोगे? Adverb of frequency से बात. That is the sum of it ना. Adverb of frequency is used between subject and main verb. The adverb of frequency जब हम किसके साथ इस्तेमाल होगा? क्या कब इस्तेमाल होगा? Adverb of frequency बात हम जब subject and the main verb common इस्तेमाल होगा. पक्का केस किया और simple present tense and simple past. Listen. As I told you now that adverb of frequency is used between subject and main verb in simple present tense and simple past tense. We use adverb of frequency in between subject and main verb in simple present tense and in simple past tense. Do you understand? For instance, he always goes to school. So here I use adverb of frequency between subject and main verb. Usually, yes, a woman. Usually a woman. Okay, they often play soccer. They often play soccer. Understand? So here, adverb of frequency is adverb of frequency. Huh? Adverb of frequency कभी sentence की करोगी?
देखिए after.
Often का नाम greater. मतलब they often play soccer. They often play soccer. So this is called adverb of frequency. जिससे क्या? How many times an action happens? Understand? Okay, we use adverb of frequency after to be verb. चिकन में to be verb इस्तेमाल आगे न बार बनने से तो adverb of frequency इस्तेमाल. For instance, she is always sick. अगर she हमेशा अगर she बीमार है, she is always sick. So here I use adverb of frequency after to be verb. After to be verb. To be verb means is MR. Okay, he is usually bored in the class. He is usually bored in the class. So here usually it is adverb of frequency. Adverb of frequency. So here I use adverb of frequency after to be verb. After to be verb. Any question?
No, sir.
Do you understand? Yes.
Sir, with the board, consider the second one. Board.
Board in time होना. Board से मतलब adjective हो गया. Adjective हो गया. Adjective. Yes. Next. Safia, understand? Safia, understand? What's the position? Ask question. Question.
Sir, he is always
Huh?
available.
Listen. To be verb shows step. It shows step. Do not come in. Just go outside. Go. Just go. To be verb shows step. तास समावेली कलम में to be verb इस्तेमाल करना. For instance, I am sick. अब कज़ी में मज़ा हमेशा डिज जाता पर कज़ा the action से कमा repeat कमा जैसे जब तासो ज़िंदगी की जैसो ज़िंदगी मारी कमा. I am always sick. जब हमेशा सीमा बीमारी कमा. The always मार the repetition है the repetition है the बीमारी repetition है जब तासो ज़िंदगी की the बीमारी कमा वैसो ज़िंदगी राजिया. So listen चिकन हमारा to be verb राजी अगर सरसा है state है तो to be verb नबाद मुझे इस्तेमाल हुआ एक verb of frequency. एडवर्ब ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी होता है इस्तेमाल हुआ और टू बी वर्ब चिकन हम टू बी वर्ब इस्तेमाल करना अगले नंबर में होगा एडवर्ब ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी. अंडरस्टैंड? ओके यू विल गेट टू नो इन book in example से लिखा नेक्स्ट वन फॉर द book दूसरा हरी अप ओके इफ यू रिमेंबर yesterday I told you prepare them in idea. Open your books. Page number 51. Page number 51. Page number 51. Main idea. Unit number 5. Newspaper headlines. This was your main idea. Who has prepared the main idea right now? Maria. Main idea. Main idea. Huh? That's what you said, yeah? Listen, this is your responsibility from today on. Then number 10 she just starts the responsibility. That's the thing over here. You have to read it down, to read here. Listen. Okay, here is no main idea. Then the main idea is the read here. I'm going to just begin here. Listen. Main idea is the main idea is the popular advice जैसे कि चिकन इंग्लिश के नाम के साथ तो इससे नहीं इस्तेमाल किया फुल वर्ड इस्तेमाल किया. So you have to just change it. You have to bring some changes in this. That's what particular changes are in this is called main idea. This is our main idea of our. Okay, just go to home and read it again. Read it. If you do not understand it, just ask questions. Yes. 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 Do you understand? Main idea is खाली the read up हो गया. सवाल है उस की main idea मत है. Understand what they are saying. For example, starting the name of Almighty Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. They are going to tell you that an idea of unit number 5 by the name of newspaper headlines. Actually, there are 3 characters: Gloria, Sakila, and okay, there are 2 characters: Gloria and Sakila. Whatever they are saying, just explain in your own words. Whatever they are saying, just explain it in your own words. This is how we are going to learn. Understand? Good job. Let's move on. Vocabulary building number 1. Vocabulary building number 1. Vocabulary building number 1. Okay. Tex has robbed a bank. He stole $800. What does it mean? Okay, Tex has robbed a bank. He stole. Stole. This be passed on. This is here. The store past one is here. Store. Still past one here. Store. Okay, look at the next one. The sheriff caught the bank robber and put him in the jail. What does it mean? Sheriff police officer. Sheriff is the police officer. With a police officer. The case was Australia. Gunakan aja principal agak dipilih huya Australia. The bank robber and put him in jail. Apa sih kiwa chulia? Jail. Pagi kerja sendiri di sana. Tapi di sana apa ya? Yes. Case is vacant. What does it mean? So. You cannot rob and steal for a living. समझ लो. With the crew of Kisidish Patoria said the judge, we will catch you every time. We will catch you. We will catch you every time. Okay, let's choose the correct words to complete the sentence now. Listen, students. First, we have to read it. Then the words that will become the correct word with us poetic. Look at the first one. Western Bank robbed. Western Bank robbed. What does it mean? Western Bank robbed. Okay. There was another dash. Crime. Outstanding. Crime. There was another crime in EIP. So last night, 3 men dash. Yes? Robbed. These 3 men robbed the Western Bank and stole. Listen, the robber chili can rob. Look at here. Robber chili can it is a noun. Or rob chili can it is a verb. So the difference that they got that is not there. Understand? Especially. Okay, next thing was around. Okay, the dish. The sheriff got one of the men and put him in jail. But the other two escaped. And the sheriff is still trying to catch them. Good job. These men mug. These men mug people. Maksud tahu ini? Listen. The mug chile kana listen students. It is a word. Daman chile word. Mag agar tahu kalau kodre apa tahu ini bisi tadi ada tahu itu mag boya. Understand? Or magar akasan tahu ya. Magar for akasan. Understand? Okay, yes. So here, these men mug people and steal for a living. But these men mug people. These dia kalau masuk kolah. Mug and steal for a living. मतलब स्टील फॉर लिविंग स्टील फॉर लिविंग मतलब यारे किसी के पटो लिया तो जिंदा रहने के लिए लेकिन तो ये जिंदा रहना जो ये बात सुन कर हम बोलते हैं what do you do for living what do you do for living this is the मतलब what do you do for living do you understand my words मतलब what do you do for living जैसे कि बोला I am a doctor जमा पेशेंट छी दिया जमा डॉक्टर दिया और प्राइस कर दिया I mug people जैसे बोला बीसीए का बुला रहा है या बीसीए का मतलब ऐसे को मैं लुटूंगा I mug people yes I mug people and still for living still किससे मतलब दिया चुराना for living बीसीए का पढ़ो किससे पढ़ा डिजाइन साथ में आवाज बोलती है escape means फरार होना escape means फरार होना escape means फरार होना come on hurry up do you understand do you yes तुम्हारे लिए explain interesting okay let's move on presentation number 2 Imran okay also read the direction headlines okay headlines read Shabas
Headlines give the important information in a newspaper.
Articles?
Articles they are not read sentence, so they do not have words like here are the here is
but
is
her
and here are lines is present tense verb to tell about
past events the same as I told you before yesterday as I told you before yesterday that headlines consist of significant important information okay it gives us important or significant information headlines it is a title that is given in a newspaper article the becomes equally a newspaper article here we do not use the next SMR next there and etc so on afterwards I told you the when the headline is in simple present tense it gives a simple past meaning इतना headlines पर simple present tense की हम किस meaning कराते हैं simple past meaning कराते हैं for example Pakistan beats बिगेचा में गडले पाकिस्तान beats मतलब पाकिस्तान बिगाड़ में गडले लिया उदाहरण कैसे पाकिस्तान beats श्रीलंका it gives a simple past meaning them this meaning जाते हैं understand read it right now that's read Kishamas come on hurry that read Kishamas come on yes this one yes please hurry up right now yes Scale number 3 Sapphire interaction that describes it. Okay, you will come to know automatically. Directly कोई भी हाँ. Okay, file closes Westlake High School for week. No, go to the house. Simple present tense की लेकिन that's the meaning बनाते हैं. Simple past. No, करिए बस correct है. Do you want to कितने correct है? A file closed. A file closed Westlake High School for a week. शाबाश कौन है यार? First of the correct है. 2 number trash here. Thousands of tourists to visit Europe. To visit Europe. Shabash option read please. Thousands of tourists will visit Europe. Outstanding. Super. Good job. This one. Thousands of tourists to visit Europe. Wait, thousand. हजार मुसाफिर बचत कीजिए यूरोप तबजिया यूरोप तबा जी लाते लीने जिमा अंडरस्टैंड Okay, the rest you have to do it by yourself. Don't follow the showers. Come on, hurry up right now. No, just do it right now. Okay, orange is freezing in Florida snow. Orange are freezing in the Florida snow. Shabash, good job. Isn't it simple? Asan hai yaar? Just do it. Come on, hurry up. Okay, the fourth one. Player breaks a leg, but team wins game. A player broke his leg, but has he won the game? Good job. Nice. Is it come? The last one. And first, man with the 10 children marries woman with 8. Huh? A man with 10 children is that was the sentence. Just hold on. A man with 10 children marries woman with 8. Marries. Simple present tense लिखना है. तब तो सब नहीं लिखना पड़ेगा. We have a man with 10. Okay, first one say yeah. A man with 10 children married a woman with 8. First one, A number. A is the correct one. Let's move on. Interaction number 4. Interaction number 4. Are you done?
Yes.
Do you understand it? Go once. Understand?
Yes.
Any problem? But this is a mushkil stuff?
Yes.
Imran. Is it simple? Asan nikala. Let's move on. Interaction number 4. Interaction number 4. Listen to us. Interaction means communication. So here you are gonna improve your own communication. This is full communication will improve. If I tell you that it will just use it. That's the words. Here is an interesting headline. Interesting headlines there. Interesting headlines there. Headlines कब होते हैं? Pakistan beats Sri Lanka. तो सब मतलब चलो. Pakistan beat Sri Lanka last night. So तो बता सुनिए. Here is an interesting headline. शाबाश headline पे क्लिक कीजिए. आगे ऊपर क्लिक कीजिए शाबाश. Whatever it is. Come on, hurry up. Hurry up. Pakistan beats Sri Lanka. Muaida? Okay. This part मुझे बता दो. क्या बोला word? I forget. कौन हरिया? बस बच्चों का. पाकिस्तान. पहले हेडलाइन लिखो शाबाश. हेडलाइन से लिखो ना. Pakistan making a lot of airlines. Pakistan making a lot of cars. That was the content there. A lot present tense there. It gives us the present meaning. Listen. Headlines. Annotation. Pakistan. Pakistan making a lot of guns. Pakistan making a lot of guns. So it's mean that Pakistan is making a lot of guns. Pakistan को जो सबक को जुड़ेगा तमाम डिजाइन को पर तमाम जुड़ेगा. So the same like this. जब सिवा पर यह headline बोल के सब को यह headline बोल के शाबाश को किया. Okay. Hurry up. Hurry up. Headline somebody go. Okay. I start that story about my religion. Hurry up. It is about what? It is about pistols, it is about guns, it is about fighting, yes?
It is about me.
Hurry up. Yes? It is about fighting. Hurry up. Okay, I didn't see that story. What is it about? That story matter is that's the part of Pakistan is making a lot of guns, a lot of pistols it will work in future. Therefore, किसी year government के ऊपर Pakistan को पकड़ा दिया. Understand? Let's move on. Reality number 5. Reality number 5. With the ration. I need your attention. Look in here. Well, listen here, sir. Well, what is this? It is used to show. It is used to show future
and
action. It is used to show future action. ده ممكن مستقبل كده على وقت تكون كي على وقت القيام future action فيها. Okay, this is for example, I'll play cricket tomorrow. I'll play cricket tomorrow. Cricket tomorrow. So this it shows that this action will happen tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. We told. If you want to mention the time, you can mention the time. I'll play cricket tomorrow. Cricket so this it shows the future action. That is the future action there. Okay, next time, it is also used to give threat to someone. Threat. It is also used to give threat to someone. For example, I'll kill you. I will kill you. So I'm gonna give threat to him. The other is the Dengki working. Ate ke mga istimal siya. Very small. Okay, offer the para istimal siya. For example, I'll help you. Jab tasawwur kama madad ho kama. I will help you. Jab tasawwur kama madad kama. So it shows future action. Jab tasawwur ya wala future action gaya. जब परामर्श मुस्तकबिल की वजह की ये दरकार किया फॉर एग्जांपल आई विल प्ले क्रिकेट पाकिस्तान मुझे बस कुमार क्रिकेट कुमार ओके पाकिस्तान विल प्ले अगेंस्ट पाकिस्तान विल प्ले क्रिकेट अगेंस्ट इंडिया पाकिस्तान का क्रिकेट से क्या खिलाफ हो इंडिया के खिलाफ अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आई से मोस्ट यूनिया विल
India वाला पाकिस्तान
ओके स्टॉप इट विल व्हाट डू यू विल Just tell me in English. Tell me in English.
It is used to show future action.
Future action. So why you are talking?
Sir, I will
Why you are talking? When it is used to show future action. Then this is future action. Next come to what the Bhagavatam here. Look at the first one. Ask and answer question using well. Listen students, if you want to make a question from a digital question to cover, we will bring well before the subject. Well before subject number पे लगाओ. For example, will I play cricket tomorrow? जब सवाल cricket हुआ, will I play cricket tomorrow? So let's come to what the Bhagavatam करेगा. Christina single slash meet Genius parents double slash yes double slash visit them in Italy. So how to make a question question to go will Christina meet Genius parents?
Yes,
Yes, she will. She will visit them in Italy. She will visit them in Italy. अगर बात की visit करी थी बात, कब से क्या Italy. अब यहाँ पे देखो अपन, फिल्म क्यों बोले? First one, how to take it? Adela. Stop talking. Do you understand? Listen, how to make the first one? First we will make a question and afterwards we will give a response. We will grant a response. So look at the first one, how to make it. Look at the first one. Will Adela get a job? Yes, she will. She will work as a computer programmer. She will work as a computer programmer. Okay, the rest you have to make it for yourself right now. Come on, hurry up. Hurry up. Just make it right now.
Will it be nice tomorrow? No. When the weather singular, when the weather be nice tomorrow, no, it will not. It will not. It will probably be rainy and cold. Hurry up. Hello? I said to practice. Yes. They are playing the
Hurry up.
again. No,
B is the next race. Yes, they. Yes, she will.
Sit down. Sit down.
Yes, they will Gazi.
Huh?
Yes, they will same as
Burhan will Sam and Bob play soccer next week? Yes, they will. They will play in the
Park.
understand? Mushkil stuff?
Yes.
If you are having any kind of problem, we can ask right now. Listen to us, sir. Unit opener को put your read कहीं जिससे मुश्किल ही मालूम कैसे करेगा? Understand ना? सवाल में idea present करो. दस मिनट अल्फाज क्यों ना? It's simple, आसान है क्या? कल लेवल पर आप लेवल की चीज़ समझ सकते हैं ना तुम? कल लेवल 2 किया. 10 लेवल 3 तरह रखी है. लेवल 3 हाई क्लास है. Understand?